Hi there everyone, so I want to show you how to make Spanish onions with balsamic vinegar in the oven. So I'm going to drizzle extra virgin olive oil, okay, on top. This, okay. Then I made my marinade and I'll show you what I put there. So I put ground black pepper, kosher salt, 1/8 of a cup of light brown sugar. That's going to help it caramelize, and half a cup of balsamic vinegar. Okay, so I have the marinade here. It's already pre-mixed. I used a little mixer handheld and I mixed this. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna pour it over. Since we have the oil, it's gonna stick to it. See? Okay. So you're gonna bake it for about 55 minutes. For the first 30 minutes, you're gonna bake it like this. And then you're going to turn it and bake it for additional 25 minutes. And in the beginning, you're going to cover it lightly, not like fully closed. And you'll see if after 55 minutes, you feel like, so first 30 minutes, you're going to keep it this way. Then you're going to turn it down. If you feel like you want it more tender, keep it for another 5-10 minutes. Add like 5-10 minutes, 5-minute increments to it. So you can go up to 15 minutes, but just add 5 minutes. You don't want it to get really mushy. You want it to get like perfect consistency. So I hope you enjoy that, and you're going to do that at 425 in case I forgot to mention it. Thank you so much.